back and doing tabletop with 2x4 from the store. So as you see, this is an addition to the countertop. This is an addition. So what I'm doing now, I already put it in place. I already sand it. I don't want to stain it because I want to see all the details in these countertop. So what I was doing, I was sanding it. I now was sanding it. So what I'm doing now is basically, I now clean it up, dust it off. So now I want to show you guys how I'm going to clear coat this countertop. Why I like the clear coat countertop, it protects the wood, and it also gives you a layer. You have to look for the one for kitchen countertop indoors if you're doing indoors. Outdoors, there's a special one for outdoors. This one, if you notice, you're gonna see it shows you kitchen indoors. So this is how I using this one for indoors, but there's one only for outdoors. So let me give you an idea. These are the two buckled together, a little dusty because I was cutting the wood. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna prepare them. I have a cut, okay. When you're using a container, you want to make sure the container you're using, you're not going to be using it again. There's the same amount is in this bottle because I used some already. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding all of this. It have to have both of them. Both of them got to be together. You cannot just put one. If you put one, it's not gonna work. So both of them have to be in the container. So what we do, we squeeze both of them in the container, and what we gotta do, we gotta mix it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. We gotta mix it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. All right. So what we do, we're gonna store it around for 5 to 10 minutes. All right guys, so we already mixed this thing for 10 minutes. We also take a piece of cloth, get rid of all the dust. So what we're gonna be doing right now, we're gonna be pouring it and let it spread. Do you see how it's looking? It's clear, you see? So what this is actually doing, this is actually gonna be spreading itself and seal up all the holes, everything. I put up these barricades because if I don't do that, we're gonna have a lot of leakage going down, and this thing is not cheap. This is pretty expensive, so you gotta mind how you use it. I mean, you could do, the thing about it is, you could do how much inches you want. You could do it really thick. You could do it really thick. Let me try to spread it out a little. Even though I know it's gonna spread for itself, the sun is hot, so I don't wanna leave it and then next thing it dry. So I'm gonna spread it a little with the stick. But this is a protection for the tabletop. If you're doing it outdoors, you could do it outdoors on your outdoor bar, your outdoor tabletop. It could work on many different surfaces. I think it could work on metal as well. Yes. So it's a really nice product for my experience. You know, I have a special tool I use to spread it, but I don't have it. But this is what I'm saying, guys. Sometimes you got to just use what you have. I mean, having the right tools is the best thing because it's able to do it right. But once you're able to master this type of job, you could use anything. You could use anything and spread this thing. So once it covered the whole thing, I'm just gonna leave it and let it dry. So now, this is your countertop. There ain't no water gonna be seeping through. This come like a protection on your countertop. And what I love about it, you still seeing the wood just like how it is. You still seeing the wood. You ain't seeing no different color. You still seeing the wood. You don't forget, you could also stain it to the color of your desire. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is gonna just stay and it's just gonna settle for itself. And just like that, we have a coat, a protection over our wood our 2x4 countertop. This countertop built by 2x4. We call them butcher block. I'm building them with 2x4 and this is custom made, guys. These things will last you forever. Once you go inside with a hammer and beat it up, these countertop will last you forever. So guys, this is it right now. What we're doing now, we're gonna leave this to dry. We're gonna leave it right here to dry. And after it dry, we just install it. We just install it. So thank you guys again. We appreciate the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace.